2000 to 2009. It was the warmest decade on modern record. How do we know? Many scientists have already set a satellite missions monitoring climate of planet Earth, gathering data, analyzing trends, and sharing those raw data and results with everyone for free. Why the temperature is rising? Climate change is forming. How are humans contributing to this climate change? What changes are occurring today? For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate is fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast. Scientists believed that it's human activities that's driving the temperature up, a process known as global warming. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of Earth's near surface, air and oceans since mid-20th century and its projected continuation. What's the cause to this long-term warming trend? Well, there are several natural processes that can cause subtle climate warming or cooling, like variations in solar activity, fluctuations in ocean current, and volcanic eruption. But many scientists believe that the dominant factor causing the rise of the temperature is the rising level of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide. By the way, what is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is an odorless, colorless gas which is faintly acidic and non-flammable. Carbon dioxide is one of the most abundant gases in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide plays an important part in vital plants and animal processes such as photosynthesis and respiration. What are some of the causes and effects of carbon dioxide emissions on nature? The effects of global warming is further exacerbated by deforestation because the removal of densely forested areas decreases the number of the carbon dioxide consuming vegetation. Photosynthetic organisms such as plants undergo a carbon fixing cycle which utilizes atmospheric carbon dioxide and synthesizes it into metabolic intermediate such as carbohydrates. Indirectly, deforestation disrupts the delicate balance between the carbon dioxide produced and consumed. An increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide along with other greenhouse gases leads to an increase in the global temperature. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plant, and eventually cars can burn fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing huge amount of carbon dioxide and other gases to the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat near the Earth through a natural occurring process called greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect begins with the sun and the energy it radiates to the Earth. The Earth and the atmosphere absorbs some of its energy while the rest is radiated back into space. Natural occurring gases in the atmosphere traps some of its energy and reflected back, warming the Earth. Due to this warming, more sudden changes will happen, like rising sea levels which could flood coastal areas around the world. Weather patterns could change, making more hurricanes more frequent. Severe droughts could become more common in warm areas, and species unable to adapt to the changing conditions would face extinction. Although much remains to be learned about global warming, our group advocates cutting carbon dioxide emissions to reduce the impact of global warming. A simple person can help. The color of its breast and the sound of its song, but I'm just thinking of you. And I think of you. Yes, I think of you. These simple changes may help keeping Earth cooler in the future.
Gusto nyo bang makasave? Yeah! Then all I got to do is learn the McSaver move. Come on! Yeah, right, bigger. That's a great McSaver move.
Oh my God, Sil! Ayan, nagsisi yung pataan. Hello?
Good.
Wait lang.
At para sa tulad mo, perfect na move ang McSaver Meals. 50 pesos lang, kompleto na.
Han?
Nice move!